Good afternoon. We are in Kathmandu, Nepal, about to go on a little walk through the golf course here at the Gokarna Resort. And we're just enjoying the sunshine. It's cool in the mornings and the evenings, but in the middle of the day, when the sun is out and bright, it is beautiful. And we're just soaking in this wonderful weather.
Yeah, so let's get going. What do you think, Truett? No words?
We are beginning our journey from the resort down to here on our forest walk. Turns out we need a guide, so this lovely gentleman is our guide. And you can probably barely see it, but there's a big Himalayan mountain back behind those trees, so hopefully we see some fun wildlife. We've heard there's monkeys. Maybe we can see some deer. Oh, I see a deer right now. I don't think you can see it. It's kind of above his hat. But yeah, let's have a fun forest walk.
You having fun, Truett? With your little shade? Yeah. Coming out of the forest area, and you can start to see some villages on the side of the mountain in front of us. Hey.
Oh, there's one right there.
I see them.
And see the one in between the trees?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, they're all down here.
You see it, Truett?
Oh yeah,
on the
a
wall.
little baby.
This is male monkey? Yeah. Got red.
Yeah. Look at the little baby. Oh, I don't know if you can see it.
Fun. You see the monkeys, Truett?
You see them?
Is he looking at them?
Yeah. They're monkeys.
Like you.
Can you say monkey?
You're a monkey. We've seen the monkeys. Now we're headed back into the forest area, continuing on our walk.
Definitely see why you need a guide.
Yes.
There's no
Uh-oh.
trail markings.
You okay?
really hidden.
Yep, no trail markings, just
Not even really any hole markings that we've seen. Besides the cutting green flags.
so excited back there.
Truett, where are we? Went to see a deer?
See all the deer tracks.
No deer here. What, Kobe?
All the deer tracks there.
Maybe. Right?
You like this? Did you know you signed up for this?
Nope. I mean, I figured there'd be a little of this. We're halfway up Everest. I'm joking. We
Not in
did
the
a
slightest.
Did a good uphill.
Ready? You got it. Rule number 1, before agreeing to a hike, maybe you should ask some details about the hike. Truett's loving it. Are you working hard, buddy? Well, you made it to the top. Huh? One W? This is Temple. Is this Hindu? What is this, sir? Okay. I don't know. See the deer, Truett?
Truett, look. Look on this side. He's looking on the wrong side.
Hey.
Beautiful. Oh, a little buck.
He's looking the other way.
He scared him. So fast.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
Not quite ready for the ibex.
No, not quite ready for that ibex. We are finishing up our forest walk.
It's a good little hike.
Some deer, lots of monkeys,
Yes, lots of monkeys.
and a big hill Morgan didn't account for.
Got my blood pumping.
And a happy baby.
And a happy baby. He
Truett.
liked it.
Hey,
Hi. Hi, Truett.
so now we're walking that back up to the clubhouse. That's gonna be a wrap.
There.
What are you doing to my ear?
I didn't get those mountains on video,
Oh,
so